everybody, we are as always your hosts Arne and Carlos.
Yes, and we are here in beautiful Lofoten, the land of the midnight sun. We are north of the Arctic Circle in some of the most beautiful islands in the world, according to us anyway. And Arne, where are we going now?
Now we're going to gård, which is on the other side of the island,
West facing
west, and there's no mountains covering for the sun. So tonight we will have the midnight sun.
And we're going to be riding horses in the beach. I just can't wait for that. So come and join us on this new adventure here in Lofoten.
And maybe you'll take a swim.
Oh, I don't think so.
No.
It's the Arctic Ocean after
The
all.
Arctic Ocean. Or the Atlantic Ocean.
Well, yeah, but it's the Arctic Ocean.
It's cold.
Yes. Will we get some panoramic views of the ocean? I hope so. I think so, yeah. Oh, yeah. There's going to be great views.
It's beautiful.
So number 3 here. So yeah, it's that one. That's the one.
So welcome to gård.
Yeah, gård, our next stop here in beautiful Lofoten.
And tonight we're gonna ride in the sunsets.
And see the midnight sun, because there is no sunset, Arne.
No.
Okay, here we are, Vågakallen, number 4. That's our lodge.
This is nice.
This is amazing.
Well, this is nice.
Wow, this is really nice.
And look at the view.
Oh boy. Yeah, I mean, this is what it's all about, isn't it?
This is more modern than the other one we stayed in.
I love it.
But it's beautiful.
Yeah, it's great. Let's go out in the terrace. I mean, you can't stand here when it's...
We have to get
a view like that. Wow, it's
nice.
Incredible. It's just so beautiful. And the sun is gonna go down there, and then it's gonna go up again immediately. So it's gonna go like that, and then up again. And it's not gonna go below the horizon.
Well, that would be very
It's gonna be incredible. And look at this weather. I mean, we couldn't be luckier. Tonight, the midnight sun is guaranteed.
I guess we're gonna ride down there, on the white beach.
That's also gonna be great.
I think we passed by the horses. That
Yeah.
must be ours.
Yeah.
Oh, this is
Spectacular.
stunning.
Spectacular.
Spectacular. Let's unpack.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, it's beautiful.